Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a weekend morning relaxing clean with me. So I know this is my first time doing one of these, so hang in there with me while I play some relaxing music and get some stuff done around my house. Hopefully that'll relax you this morning, so sit back and enjoy. Also, today is going to be a special video because it's also a collaboration with one of my good friends over here on YouTube. Her channel name is BusyReeB, and I'm going to introduce you to her right now. Okay guys, here's one of my good friends over here on YouTube. Her channel name is BusyReeB, but her real name is Rhiannon. She is a mom of 4 little ones. She got 2 older ones and 2 littles, and she is from Australia. And she reached out to me to do this collaboration with her, and I was so excited. She does tons of cleaning motivation, she does DIYs, and she does tons of cooking and cleaning. So please head on over to her channel and tell her I said hi. Okay guys, let's get right on into this weekend morning clean with me. Of course, any morning will not be a morning without having some coffee. And today I am doing a hazelnut coffee in one of my favorite mugs, as you see here. The other side has a family picture on it, which I did not turn around to show you, but it's there. And then, of course, I put some Ready Whip right on top, and this makes it so delicious. Do you do this with your coffee too? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, heading right on into my dining room. The first thing I want to tackle this morning is I need to get this dry erase board erased and rewrote up so that way we can do homeschool with my kids this week with a fresh start. Okay, so what I use to get this board nice and clean and ready for the week, I'm just going to use one of Christian's baby wipes, as I showed you here, and it's just going to clean the board real nice and good. Normally during the week, I only use like a napkin or a towel and just wipe it off, but the buildup gets all over it during the week, so I'll make sure to give it a real good deep clean on the weekend and get it ready. Okay, so right here, I just got a piece of a napkin and I just ripped it in half, and just so I could dry off the board so that way I can rewrite what we need on this board for the week. Okay guys, now that I got the board done, we're gonna tackle the rest of my dining room slash office slash homeschool room. Yeah, this dining room sure is busy, but we are going to get it clean and enjoy this relaxing music as I get this done.
going to be going in and cleaning off my desk with Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. I have the lavender scent right now, but I cannot wait for all the winter scents and the fall scents to be coming out. I know they might even be out already, but I am so behind. But oh my gosh, you guys, if you haven't tried Miss Meyer's, I definitely recommend it. It smells so good. Just by spraying this bottle one time, it smells like a candle was on. Okay, here's a close-up of how dusty my desk actually really is, but you can't really see it from afar, but I want to give you a close-up so you can see what I'm dealing with.
Baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show.
Okay, so I'm just about done here in the dining room. I'm just going to sweep up in here, and then I'm going to move right on into the kitchen and finish off this morning routine. Mommy's little helper. Look at him cleaning.
Okay guys, now that I got the dining room all done, got my hair pulled back, now the real cleaning motivation is coming your way because I got a load of dishes to do. Let's get this started.
still sticking around, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you are new here. Also, please don't forget to head on over to BusyReeB, and don't forget to tell her I said hi, and subscribe to her channel as well. And don't forget to check out her newest video with the collaboration with me to get your extra dose of relaxing cleaning motivation. Okay guys, I think the best part of cleaning the kitchen is definitely getting the sink nice and clean after getting all the dishes done. What is your favorite part of cleaning the kitchen? Let me know in the comments. I always have to clean my coffee pot out, at least rinsing it out. And then my little trick after I'm done cleaning the coffee pot, I turn it around and leave the top open so that way it dries. Okay guys, we're just about done here with this weekend morning relaxing clean with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is a whole new realm for me, so I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more of these. Also, please don't forget to head on over to BusyReeB. I will link everything down below for you guys, so you can head on right on over to her channel and send her some love. Don't forget to like and subscribe to her channel and let her know I sent you.
Alright guys, that is all I got for you today for this relaxing weekend clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like these types of videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to check out my friend BusyReeB. She's waiting for you over there. Please don't forget to subscribe to her too. We'll see you next time. Bye.